Welcome to the DAP Door Installation Training Program. This program is designed to cover the basics of door installation using the DAP Quick Kit Exterior Door Installation Kit. This training is in accordance with ASTM E2112 standard practice for installation of exterior windows, doors, and skylights. At the end of this program, you'll have a solid understanding of the steps and products required to ensure proper exterior door installation. DAP door installation instructions are for the installation of new and replacement doors with brick mold trim in wood frame residential and light commercial buildings. If you'd like to take the program one step further, complete the door installation test after viewing this video and provide your contact information to receive your DAP Silver Star Installation Certificate. Throughout this video, we'll be using the following terms and images to represent the components involved in exterior door installation. Make sure you have the proper tools and materials, including safety gear, before beginning. It is important to wear personal safety equipment. Always wear eye protection, gloves, and a long sleeve shirt when installing foam and sealant. Verify the rough opening is square and level and that there is no damage to the door frame and rough opening. Ensure that the door is properly sized to the rough opening. The door should be 1 inch narrower than the rough opening width and 3/4 inch shorter than the rough opening height. Measure the depth of the jamb to verify the proper sill pan size. The DAP Quick Kit is available in a variety of jamb sizes to accommodate most opening depths. Check that the weather-resistant barrier or house wrap has been installed according to manufacturer's instructions. Tape and repair any tears or holes. Improper installation of the house wrap can lead to air and water leakage around the door opening. There are a variety of building envelope solutions on the market today. These include house wrap, the most common type of weather-resistive barrier, pre-assembled systems that combine wall sheathing with an air and water barrier creating an integrated weather-resistive barrier, and liquid-applied systems that are rolled or spray-applied. The following installation instructions apply to any of these type of envelope solutions. The DAP Quick Kit includes a rigid sloped sill pan, and its use complies with International Residential Building Code R703.8. The sill pan is designed to drain any incidental water that gets between the door frame and under the threshold and rough opening. If house wrap is present, cut the house wrap at the sill, even with the rough opening, and 2 inches past the jambs on each side. Cut and remove house wrap 2 inches past the jambs. Cut the house wrap at the head across the top of the framing and diagonally outward, past the jamb 6 inches to create a flap. Fold the flap up and temporarily tape it above the rough opening. Place left and right sill pan corners tight against the framing. Measure center section and cut if necessary to maintain 2 inch overlap at glue joints. Center section must fit within recessed areas of corners. Apply DAP Rapid Fuse or PVC cement to the recessed areas of the corner pieces and the underside of the center section where it overlaps the recessed areas. Hold or clamp pieces together long enough to ensure a complete bond. Remove pan and apply Dynaflex 800 where the pan will contact the framing and sill. Install sill pan into bed of sealant and ensure the sill pan is plumb and level across the entire rough opening. For doors larger than 40 inches width, the center section will come in multiple pieces which overlap to form a continuous pan. Dry fit the pan in the rough opening, making sure you have at least 2 inches overlap at each joint. Cut center section to fit if necessary. Apply DAP Rapid Fuse or PVC cement to all overlapped areas of the recessed pieces and assemble sill pan. Hold or clamp pieces together long enough to ensure a good bond. Apply a bead of Dynaflex 800 along the glue joints to prevent air infiltration. Seal between the sill pan and the rough opening by applying Dynaflex 800 sealant on the bottom of the rough opening and 4 inches up the jambs as shown. Cut 2 pieces of DAP LT Polyflash the length of the jamb rough opening plus 3 inches and install on each side of the rough opening to integrate the WRB with the house wrap. Cut flashing tape so it extends past the head by approximately 1.5 inches. Roll smooth with a J-roller. Before setting door into the rough opening, apply a 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch fillet bead of Dynaflex 800 to the back side of the brick mold to seal the brick mold to the door frame, being sure to seal the miter joints at jamb and head brick mold. Then apply a second 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch bead of Dynaflex 800 to the back of the brick mold. From the outside, set threshold of door unit into the sill and tilt into place. From the inside, place temporary quick kit shims around the door frame to hold into place. Check for plumb and level and shim accordingly per the door manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to keep the door level and true. Then secure the door to rough opening framing using 3 inch by 8 screws following the door manufacturer's fastening instructions. Adjust for alignment and smooth operation. Apply sealant bead around brick mold on exterior, sealing brick mold to flashing tape. Install the head flashing drip cap that is included in the DAP Quick Kit exterior door installation kit. Measure the exterior width of the door, including the brick mold, and add 1 inch. Cut the head flashing drip cap to that measurement. Make 2 1/2-inch cuts at each end of the drip cap along upturned and downturned leg and bend down to create an end cap. Cut and remove the front downturned leg on drip cap. Seal end dam joints with Dynaflex 800. Apply 3/8 inch bead of Dynaflex 800 behind the head flashing and install above door over brick mold. If WRB is present, be sure to slip drip cap behind WRB in a weatherboard fashion. For larger doors, 2 pieces of drip cap will need to be spliced together. Create end caps by making 2 1/2-inch cuts at right side of one piece and the left side of the other. Place overhead and cut to one piece to fit. Ensure overlap of at least 4 inches. Seal lap joint with Dynaflex 800 and apply a 3/8 inch bead of Dynaflex 800 to the back side of the head flashing. Install above door and secure to building with 1/2-inch screw in center of the lap joint. To further prevent air and water infiltration, apply Dynaflex 800 between the back of the sill pan and the back of the door threshold. To complete the installation, seal between the door frame and rough opening with DAP Draft Stop 812 window and door foam that is included in the DAP Quick Kit exterior door installation kit. Using the DAP Quick Kit exterior door installation kit and following proper door installation practices will ensure your installation is done with high-performance materials and industry-leading standards. Take a few minutes to complete the DAP New Construction Door Installation Training Quiz online. Upon successful completion, You'll receive a silver level certificate and ongoing best practice and product updates from DAP. For more information on DAP products, visit dapspecline.com or contact DAP at 888-327-8477. DAP, on the job since 1865.